welcome. So I got a ton of requests about my recent Insta stories to make a training on how the heck I created those really fun, creative stories. And it's part of my business to share my life and my journey, but I think the hairstylist in me is extremely creative, and so I just kind of take it to the next level because if people are going to follow me, I want them to feel inspired or fun or interesting to watch. So it was super simple to make this, and I used it with all free apps, which is awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and put my screen right here. So let me show you the one that you were talking about. And I'll show you how I made it. So it's this one right here. I'll play it for you. Oh, nope, I lied. So how I got my full Instagram feed and how it's flipping around and looks really fun, and how I had really popular music playing. So I'm gonna show you how we did that. And this one was a bit more intense. I did use 3 different, maybe 4 different apps to make it. All right, so first let's start with the pictures. Where did I get all these pictures from? That is from an app called UNUM, right here, UNUM. This is a tool to map out your Instagram feed, and sometimes they use it and sometimes they don't. In a perfect world, I would map out all of my pictures, but some days I have like moods and want to share a story or give a shout out, so I don't follow it exactly, but it's to help you get your feed really cohesive. So here are some pictures to come, which I haven't posted. And then if it has a little Instagram sign next to it, those are pictures that are already on my feed. So what I did was I put the screen right where I wanted it, and then if you tap a picture and see the swirly arrow at the bottom, if you hit that, it'll move the pictures around for you. So I did that a couple times, just shifting the pictures while screen recording, and then I saved the screen record video, and I opened it up in the app called INSHOT. So I make the majority of any of my Insta stories that are fun and creative are made in INSHOT. So I'm gonna open video, we're gonna do new. Okay, so here's the screen recording raw. As you can see, it's 24 seconds, so I have to cut that down. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it down to 15 seconds. And then you can see the red bar up top, so I want to get rid of that, so I'm going to hit canvas, and 9:16 is Instagram size, and I zoomed in to make it a little bit bigger. Save that. Then I did filters, I did effects, and I did the convex, which kind of blurs the outside of it to give it a different look, and saved that. You can do these filters as well. I might have done one of, I think I did the cinema. Perfect, to make all the colors pop more. So just on its own, me flipping through the feed looks, actually I want to cut that down more this way until I start flipping. Okay. So you can see it's just shifting, but now I want to add transitions to make it more interesting. So I'm going to go back to the beginning. I'm hitting the scissors, the trim. I'm going to hit split, go a few seconds in, and press the check mark to split. Now if I tap, see this little circle at the bottom? I'm going to tap that. Now I can add transitions. So the first one I'm going to do is a flip, so it's going to flip it, show you what that looks like. So it flipped it. Now let's split again. This time I almost wanted to like zoom in for the transition. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that first one. You can see what that looks like. So we have the flip and it zoomed in. Okay, let's cut it again, split it again. Okay. All right, so let's see what that looks like all together with adding transitions. So between the transitions and me just screen recording, me flipping through, it looks really cool. And you'd think I put a lot more work into it, but I didn't. It's pretty simple. Okay, sweet. So that is done. Saving it. Now I'm going to show you how I got the borders just to add an extra layer. So for that, I actually went and Googled film reel and hit images. So something like this, and I just screenshot it, cropping it. Saving. And I'm going back into INSHOT, hitting photo, and now I'm going to put a filter on it, an effect. And see. So I like this. You can see it shaking. I'm going to use the app Unfold. This is how I can put borders, or you can see some of my fun stuff that I do. Here are the other one. So we'll hit New, Create, plus sign, and scroll through and see which one we want. I believe I use this one right here. This one I can add 2 videos or 2 photos. So I'm going to click the back. I'm going to add that. Now our background is in. And now I'm going to add the video. We're going to hit the little eye sign. And you can see it. It looks pretty cool. Perfect. So I'm going to save it. Now I love adding music, so Instagram did make it super easy to add music, so you're more than welcome to upload it and then put your favorite song using Instagram. But I like to put it on all my platforms, my Snapchat, which is right here, and my Facebook stories, as well as my Instagram stories, so I want the music to just be stuck on there for all of it. And that I use HYPETYPE for. HYPETYPE is amazing. HYPETYPE also allows for animated text. There's tons and tons of animated text to choose from, but I did not want any text today. So I'm just putting a dot, throwing that off to the side so you can't see it, and I'm hitting the 3 lines, add music. And I wanted wifey, since it's like all pictures of me.
You know I'm gifted when it comes to having loyalty. You know I'm gifted when it comes to having loyalty.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and save it. Very last thing that I did, just to bring it to the next level, is I put it back in INSHOT. And I added one more effect to it. So changing the canvas back to the normal size. Hit filter, effects. And I went all the way over to glitch.
You know I'm gifted when it comes to having loyalty. Don't get it twisted.
So you can see it moving, glitching, so much going on. It looks awesome. And that's how I did it. And then it's ready to upload to Instagram. It's really fun, really eye-catching, and it's a good way to feature your feed if you want people to go check out a post. And I kind of taught you a lot just in that one. So I use all these apps to edit my workout videos or share a new product that I'm doing. If you enjoyed this, please let me know in the comments. If you try it on your stories, tag me. I would love to see what you created. I'll even reshare it on my page with my followers that you just made that story. So thanks guys. If you loved it, let me know. Mwah. Bye.